Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can make your Snapchat account private. So for this, first of all open your Snapchat application and then tap on your Snapchat profile. And friends, here tap on the settings option and then scroll down your page, and here you will get to see a new section of privacy control. So first of all tap on the contact me option, and friends, here tap on friends option and then back from this option, and then friends tap on use my Bitmoji avatar option, and here select only me option, and then tap on the view my story option, and friends here tap on the custom option and select all your friends which you want they will not see your story, and then tap on the block option and tap on the see me in quick add option. And friends, here you have to turn off this option, because when you turn off this option your account will be not suggested to other unknown Snapchat users, so no one can add you from quick add. Then guys, you have to tap on the activity indicator option and turn off this option, and back from here, and friends tap on the see my location option, and here you have to enable the ghost mode option, because when you enable your ghost mode option no one or no friends can see your location.